If you're a creator who's tired of chasing views and want to build a real income, then this video is for you. Hi, this is Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with you today with another making money from home idea with Whop. If you're already a content creator or you're just thinking to start it, this video is for you. Did you ever think to make money without going viral on social media or YouTube, or just waiting for the algorithm to bring your video on the top? I will share with you the idea of making money with Whop without being monetized on YouTube or any other social media platforms. There are different ways to make money on Whop, but in this video today, I'm only going to share with you content rewards. I won't waste your time as I know it's very precious, so let's jump into learning. First, you need to open Whop in your web browser. I'm opening it in Google Chrome. Then you need to sign up. Sign up is very easy and simple. It doesn't take long. It's done in few clicks. For sign up process, you need to enter your email address, or you can see other ways to sign up like Google, X, Apple, and more. I've already signed up, so you can see my Whop opened here. I signed up with Gmail and it only took me 2 minutes maximum to sign up. Once you have signed up, go to Discover. After clicking on Discover, you will find this page. You can see live streams and just here is content rewards. You can see it says here, get paid for creating content. Once you click on show all, it will show you more options you can work for. Every single task is showing the price you will be paid after completing the task. For example, if you create content for a dub, this is the price they're gonna pay per 1,000 views. And here, insanely viral clips, you will be paid $0.10 per 1,000 views. For Whop, UGC creators is $5 per 1,000 views. It's different for different tasks. From the right side, you can sort by highest CPM. As I have sorted from highest to lowest CPM, you can see the highest paid tasks on the top. It's your responsibility to do your maximum research before choosing any task. You need to find what works best for you. Let's click on this Whop University. Click Open Whop and you can see on Earn button here, they'll ask for a YouTube video. When you click on this, you can see the requirements which you need to meet. For example, the length of the video and what should be included in the video. It's different for every single task. As we're talking about Whop University, so this one is about Whop University. You need to read all these requirements really carefully. And it also says, submit your post for review within 1 hour of publishing to start getting paid. So make sure whatever you do, just make sure you meet all the requirements. If you click on submissions button under content rewards, you can see the submissions. Means the content which other creators have submitted and how much they are earning from it. You can have good idea from here that what can work for you. You can have idea what kind of content you can create and how other people are doing in this. Now about the platforms, which one you're using. So it shows different platforms under every single task. For example, here you can see Instagram, TikTok, X, and YouTube. So you need to be careful before choosing any Whop. Many Whops are available to join, but for some of them, you have to join waitlist. It keeps changing. For example, Whop creators, if I click on this right now, it says join waitlist. And when I clicked on join waitlist, there's a questionnaire which I need to fill and submit. If you're interested, you can join waitlist. I have put the link in description below. If you click on that link, it will take you to Whop website where you can sign up. Thank you so much for giving your time watching this video. Best of luck for your earning money journey. Remember in prayers and look after yourself and other people around you. Bye. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.